Okay guys, so you've tuned in for the top 5 easy keto meals for busy people. Don't go away. Okay guys, so basically being on keto is something where it can influence a lot on your life. There are lots of things that are going to influence you. For example, you'll eat out a lot less because restaurants don't cater for you. You may find some places that do the meat and you have the meat, but then they put sauce on it, or that actually it's not as using healthy oils to cook it. There's a whole range of things that can impact on your diet that you can't control. So they're out of control when you're out of the area of your control. So that's why you'll have a whole area of things where you change, you prepare stuff yourself. You want to be able to prepare them quickly for a great meal. So let's get on with it, guys. Number one. Okay, so number one, you can see here, steak and eggs. So this is a fantastic all-time great keto meal. It's quick and easy. You only fry the eggs, yes, and you fry the steak. If you've got 4 hobs, steak and eggs same time, you'll be finished in 5 minutes, depending on what type of steak and how thick it is. So very simple, guys. Let's have a look here. Okay guys, so you can see the steak and eggs comes in at 0.6 carbs overall. Fantastic for a meal, and that's about 0.3 per egg, because eggs have a range of about 0.3 to 0.6 for a large egg of negligible carbs. All the ingredients there for you. So take a screenshot and it will give you all those details. So you've got obviously a rump or sirloin steak, 150 grams. You've got eggs, 2 large eggs. That's where the carb comes from, of about 0.6 carbs. Added to be 1.2. You've got butter, 0 carb, and salt and pepper to taste. Absolutely fantastic. And obviously those eggs, absolutely delicious. All of these are packed full of nutrients, tons of protein, and at the same time you've also got a choline to help make acetylcholine, which is very, very important neurotransmitter for the brain. So what you can see here, you've got high protein, supports muscle and keeps you full. You've got low carb, keeps you in ketosis. Quick and easy, ready in 5 to 10 minutes. Very quick, no problem whatsoever. Pan, oil, turn it on to heat it low. Add the steak, another pan for the eggs, crack 2 eggs, bam. Maybe it depends how you like your steak. If you like it well done, yes, 10 minutes. If not, 5 minutes, bam, eggs done, steak done, off you go. Fantastic. So really quick and easy. Massively conducive because you get about 1.2 grams of carb, but again, as you said, those carbs are the negligible carbs coming from the eggs. 2 large eggs are 0.6 roughly. So fantastic first meal. Okay guys, so easy meal number 2, but bunless bacon cheeseburger. So you're not having the bun, but you're having the cheeseburger. So here we go, let's have a look. Okay guys, so the bunless bacon cheeseburger comes in at 1.9 grams of net carbs. Absolutely phenomenal. So this is one that's going to be a great, and I've had it myself. It's absolutely delicious and you enjoy it so much. So what can you see here that you're going to have? You can see obviously you've got beef mince to make your burger, you've got streaky bacon, 2 rashers, you've got cheddar cheese at 30 grams, you've got lettuce, you've got red onion, 2 rings, pickles, mayonnaise, and also salt and pepper. So that's going to be added. What you can see here, absolutely delicious. It's fantastic. I've had this as well. Absolutely tasty and delicious. Fantastic one to have on the keto diet. So you can throw this together, obviously make the burger buns yourself, and then you're 100% sure there's 0 carb. Pretty much what you do is you get your meat and you then mince meat, mix it all together with egg. So obviously mix the egg up, whisk it, then add it into the top of the meat, just a little bit of it, then use it as a binder, squish it into shape, and then fry it, flip it over when it becomes a bit more solid, and then you're sorted. So it's binds it, so it's pretty much 0 carb. Now obviously when you're doing that, throw the bacon on, cut up your cheese, throw that on there, take out the bits and pieces of vegetables, bam. No more than 10 to 15 minutes maximum. So another fantastic keto meal. Okay guys, meal number 3. So here we go. You can see coming in rotisserie chicken and salad. This is going to be ready in about 10 minutes. Okay guys, so the rotisserie chicken and salad, you've got net carbs of 4 grams. So fantastic for a quick, efficient keto meal. Portion sizes as well, don't forget, that's for 1 person. Rotisserie chicken 120 grams. Only take out obviously the meat, cutting off the meat you need. Mixed salad leaves, because that's a rotisserie chicken or you've already bought cooked. If you want to cook some chicken, yes, you can extend the time for the cooking time. Cherry tomatoes, cucumber, avocado, olive oil, you've got salt and pepper. Now, the reality is, if you've got your rotisserie chicken, you could probably do this in 5 to 10 minutes. 5 minutes, I could probably whip this together for sure. So you take out everything you need, whip it together, throw in the salt, throw in the cooked chicken already, mix it all together, salt and pepper, done. So that realistically could be done 5 to 10 minutes. Now, okay guys, so why have we got this? It's high protein, supports muscle and keeps you full. Low carb, keeps you in ketosis, quick and easy, ready in just 10 minutes. Keto approved, low carb, high fat, zero fuss. So why is it great? High in protein and healthy fats to keep you satisfied, support muscle and keep carbs low to stay in ketosis. So the whole idea here is you've got plenty of fat and protein. That's an awesome combination for keto, and only a net carbs of 2.4 grams mixed in there, mostly coming from the fruit or vegetables. Now, what you can see here, cherry tomatoes are a fruit, obviously. So when I talk about things, I'll use the botanical scientific classification. Tomatoes, obviously, a fruit, and also, believe it or not, so is cucumber and also avocado. So they're all fruits. So again, 3 fruits there. A mixed salad leaves, they're not, so you can mix them all in. Fantastic salad. So guys, okay guys, coming in, meal number 4. So we have salmon with buttered broccoli. Absolutely fantastic. So simple, nutritious, and packed with omega-3 oils. Awesome. Now, so what you can see here, you've got 3.1 grams of carb for the broccoli. Then the rest of it is pretty much zero carb. But you have to obviously add a little bit extra if you have the lemon slice, a little bit of lemon juice, and then again, if you really want to, you could squeeze out the lemon, weigh the water, the liquid weight on your scales. Now, again, amazing meal. 3.1 grams, absolutely fantastic, and that's coming from the broccoli. Why is that good? Well, if you understand, you're not just getting a fantastic fatty fish with omega-3 oils, you're also getting tons of protein, it's a healthy fat, and at the same time you're getting fiber from the broccoli, which is next level. Other things like vitamin C as well. So, fantastic meal. Now, meal number 5. So you can see this is a phenomenal meal. You've got this cheese, and you've got spinach, and you've got the egg. So that all comes in fantastic. You get about 0.3 grams of carbs, 0.2, 0.3 to spinach, and also then you've got about 0.9 for the eggs as well, or could be a little higher as well. Can even go up to about 1.8 for the eggs, depending on where you get your nutritional information from. So, coming from COVID, it will come in at about 0.9 grams for 3 large eggs. Now, what you can see here, you have butter, sea salt and pepper, cheddar cheese, spinach, and 3 eggs. Make a fantastic omelette, absolutely delicious, cheesy omelette. Fantastic. High in protein, supports muscle and keeps you full. Low carb, keeps you in ketosis. Quick and easy, ready in just 10 minutes. And keto approved, low carb, high fat, zero fuss. So it's great because it's got protein, healthy fats. You'll be definitely satisfied with it, and at the same time, it's conducive for your ketosis. Now, you can see obviously you've got plenty of fat and protein. That's awesome. You've got plenty of fuel. You've got plenty of material to repair and maintain your body. So guys, they're the top 5 keto meals. I hope you liked it, guys. Thumbs up please, and subscribe. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one.